Welcome back to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel where we explore the world of architecture and home design. Today we are focusing on a crucial element of your home, the main gate. A well-designed main gate not only provides security but also leaves a lasting impression on your guests. I am excited to present some breathtaking modern steel main gate designs to elevate your home's entrance. Let's dive in. When it comes to modern aesthetics and durability, steel is the perfect material for main gates. Its sleek appearance and strength make it an ideal choice for contemporary homes. So let's explore some stunning steel gate designs that will add elegance and sophistication to your property. Number one is minimalist marble. Our first design idea embraces the less is more philosophy. A simple, clean lined steel gate with subtle details creates a minimalist and sophisticated look. Consider pairing it with concrete walls or lush greenery to make it the focal point of your home's facade. Number two is geometric elegance. Incorporate geometric patterns into your steel gate design to add a touch of modern artistry. From abstract shapes to intricate laser cut patterns, these gates create a captivating visual effect that sets your home apart. Number three is statement pivot gates. Pivot gates not only look impressive but also offer functionality and space saving benefits. Opt for a single large steel gate that pivots open effortlessly, creating a grand entrance for your property. Number four is laser cut masterpieces. Take advantage of laser cut technology to craft intricate designs and motifs on your steel gate. From floral patterns to abstract art, these gates exude elegance and offer a unique blend of craftsmanship and contemporary style. Number 5 is rustic industrial. If you love the industrial charm, consider rustic steel gate with distressed finishes. The weathered look adds character and complements both modern and industrial inspired architecture. Number 6 is curved elegance. Embrace gentle curves and arches in your steel gate design for a softer and more welcoming appeal. These gates beautifully balance modern aesthetics with a touch of classic elegance. With these modern steel gate designs, your home's entrance will become a true reflection of your style and taste. That wraps up our video on modern steel main gate designs. We hope you found inspiration to transform your home's entrance into a stunning architectural statement. The importance of modern steel main gate design cannot be overstated, as it plays a crucial role in enhancing various aspects of a property. Here are some key reasons why a well-designed modern steel main gate holds significant importance. Number one is security. The primary purpose of the main gate is to provide security for the property and its occupants. Modern steel gates are known for their strength and durability, making them an excellent choice for ensuring the safety of the premises. Their robust construction acts as a deterrent to potential intruders, providing homeowners. Number two is aesthetics. The main gate is the first thing that greets visitors and passersby, making it a critical element in the overall appearance of a property. Modern steel gate designs are often characterized by their sleek lines, contemporary aesthetics, and sophisticated appeal. They can instantly elevate the curb appeal of a home, creating a lasting impression on guests and adding value to the property. Number three is versatility. Steel is a versatile material that can be molded into various shapes and designs, from minimalist styles to intricate laser cut patterns. Modern steel gates offer an array of design possibilities to match different architectural styles and personal preferences. Number four is durability and low maintenance. Steel is known for its durability and resistance to weather elements such as rain, wind, and sunlight. Unlike other materials, steel gates are less susceptible to rot, warping, or insect damage. Number five is space optimization. Modern steel gates, particularly pivot gates, are very important for security. I hope this video will be very helpful for you for latest main gate designs. And if you love this video, you like this video, then please like and share this video to your colleagues, to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my latest decor ideas YouTube channel. And thanks for watching complete video, and please share this video to your relatives, colleagues, and other fellows. We will meet you in next video. Stay happy. Thank you.